tutorial.mp4 GC analysis, Professor H.S. Shankar. Aim of the experiment. The aim of the experiment is to determine the composition of various components in each sample by means of gas chromatography. Introduction and theory. Introduction. We had added the butanol to the sample in an amount equal to the sample weight. The butanol is used as a reference component. This is because the thermal conductivity detector element does not respond equally to different components. The carrier gas for the GC experiment is hydrogen. After injection of the sample into GC, the sample is carried through the column by the hydrogen gas. The temperature of the injector is kept at a temperature above the boiling point of the least volatile component. The component of the sample are adsorbed on the adsorbent bed in the GC column. The adsorption is based on the molecular weight, that is, the largest molecule is retained for the longest time inside the column. Thus, the area peaks come in the order of methanol, ethanol, isopropanol, and butanol. Procedure. Check if there is sufficient pressure maintained at the inlet of TCD element. The pressure has to be greater than 20 psi. Similarly, ensure that the pressure of the gas at the inlet of the column is greater than 4 bar. Also check the operating conditions inside the GC. The injector temperature has to be 160, the temperature of the detector should be 170, and temperature of the oven is 190. Having made the above checks, we now inject 2 microliter of sample into the injector with the help of a micro syringe. Simultaneously start the data collection by pushing the red button. After getting 4 peaks for 4 samples, stop the data collection and obtain the area percentage. Get the area ratios of each component with the butanol and multiply it with response factor to get the mass ratios. Mass ratios can be converted to mass percentage of each component inside the sample.